Mishra. So I'm back with another interesting topic. Today my topic is on WinZip. So I will tell you how to reduce file size by using WinZip advanced option. So it allows you to further compress the file by 70%. So I mean that if you compare the normal zip file with this file, which I am going to tell you in a while. All right. So let's begin. I have a text file. So you can see here. I have a text file named ABC, so it has a file size of 500, approx 500 MB. Right, so let's zip this file by using normal WinZip options, which you must be using in your daily routine work. Alright, okay, WinZip, add to zip file. So I'm using evaluation version, so you must be having a paid version, but I'm not using paid version. Okay, so but options are same, so let's add. So same steps you must be following while creating zip file. All right, so zip file has been created, so let's see. Oh, good. So you can see that the file size has been reduced from 498 MB to 4.89 MB. So let's do it my way. So let me tell you how it is going to impact the file size. All right, just rename the file. So I'm not going to use zip legacy compression. I'm going to use zip best method, smallest size. All right, so it will create a file with extension ZIPX. All right, so add. Now just see, the file size has been reduced drastically. Oh god, see, 854 KB. So it has gone down from 500 MB to 854 KB, right? So that's how you can reduce the mm, uh, reduce the file size, right? All right, okay guys, thank you so much.